Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore how to efficiently search through files in the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're looking for a specific document, a shared PDF, or any other file type, these steps will save you time and frustration. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the Telegram desktop app installed and open it on your computer. Once you're logged into your account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is your gateway to locating anything within Telegram. Click on the search bar to activate it. In the new update, a drop-down menu will appear just below the search field, offering several filter options. These filters are designed to narrow down your search results, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Look for the Files filter among the choices. It's represented by a document or paperclip icon, depending on your app version. Select this filter to focus your search exclusively on files shared in your chats. With the Files filter enabled, type your search query into the bar. For example, if you're searching for a budget spreadsheet, enter keywords like budget, Q3 report, or expenses. Telegram will instantly scan all your chats, groups, and channels for files matching your keywords. The results will populate in real time, displaying file names, thumbnails, and the chat context where they were shared. Scroll through the results to locate your desired file. Click on it to open a preview directly within the app. If you need to save it to your computer, right-click the file and select Save As to choose your preferred folder. This feature is especially useful for users managing large volumes of files across multiple conversations. Instead of manually scrolling through chats, leverage the Files filter to retrieve documents, spreadsheets, images, or videos in seconds. And that's it. By using the updated search filters in Telegram, you can streamline your workflow and keep your digital workspace organized. Give it a try the next time you're hunting for a specific file. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.